Hi, and we're back with another episode of Hungry Bill, the, I guess St. Patty's Day special since it's coming up. Looks like we all forgot to wear our green here, but it works. Do you all want to introduce yourselves?
I'm Hungry Helper Biannca.
I'm Hungry Helper Taylor.
That's a perfect way of introducing yourselves. So today, I have this recipe. I didn't explain it too well in the introduction, but this is the recipe here. It's a recipe I actually made in 7th grade with my mom. You can see it here. It's part of my humanities project from 7th grade, so it's my first time making it since then. So we're gonna add all the dry ingredients now. So you can do that. No.
It used to be like very flat.
So here,
How am I supposed to get it very flat?
So what you do is you'll.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's perfect. Good job, Taylor.
Thank you, Bill.
All right. Hopefully, we have enough room in the bowl.
Yeah.
So I want to make sure we get any seeds in the bread. So when I made this in like 7th grade, it was just like my mom and I, and so we started to make the bread, and it wasn't forming. Like it was like still like really mushy. It wasn't coming together at all. Like we were getting really like frustrated. My mom started like calling my dad, and we like thought we'd like screwed up the cake or the bread.
Yeah.
And then my dad came home. He like threw like some flour on it, and like
Oh
came
my
together. Okay, so now we let this sit for a little bit. And that just makes it a little bit more acidic, which makes it more like buttermilk. I don't know if that's how they actually make buttermilk, but yeah.
Wow,
Maybe to take the lid off.
Yeah, take the lid off, it'll be easier.
Yeah, I think Biannca has to take the reins on this one.
I like go on the light side on them, so like if you go and just do like a little more than 2.5, no, put that whole thing in, but like do a little
Like
2
two,
tablespoons.
maybe.
Yeah. I think we're done with this, right? I need to taste it. I need to see
Oh my god. I feel like it could taste weird.
I feel like that doesn't taste very weird.
I know it will. You have to make sure it's like.
Lemon and milk.
I want to make sure it tastes weird but good.
I might add a little bit more lemon.
It tastes like good homemade buttermilk. Tell me to add in the rest.
Oh my
Like,
god.
will you stir?
It's okay. It's okay. Might have to move on from the whisk here to a like spoon. That's where a little bit of fun comes in with
Fun. Mess.
We might end up. We'll mix this for a little bit. I think you did a pretty good job there.
Okay.
I think we're gonna end up mixing this for a little bit longer. Have you ever needed anything before?
No, you can have the honors of that.
All right.
Or Taylor can.
So we'll start by just grabbing it. This is a pretty loose batter, which is good.
There's a little more on this.
Hands are already dirty.
Caveman style.
Do you want to try kneading it just to feel like get a feel for it?
Sure.
Mess.
Wait, so you take it
It
like
doesn't really
this,
matter too
like
much.
half.
Yep, and then push it down. You can do either way. Either way doesn't matter. You just want to make sure you're turning it a little bit.
Okay, I think I'm done now.
Pretty good.
That
I
was
think
fun.
we're almost done here.
Oh, I got so much batter on my hand. I feel bad taking away from the bread.
No, it's gonna be okay. It was really easy to knead this one. It took a minute or two.
Yeah.
Taylor got to knead for the first time, which is fun.
Very fun.
Any thoughts on the process so far?
It's a little messy.
It's a little messy.
Bigger bowl.
Bigger bowl would have been
It's a
good.
big bowl, yeah.
And
for
maybe no rings next time.
Yeah, I had to take my rings off.
I had to take the rings off.
Good.
But otherwise, we're doing well.
Yeah.
We're gonna put these in for 60 minutes when we separate into our 2 bowls, and then we'll have some Irish soda bread.
Oh my god, everyone, my midterm was canceled for tomorrow.
No way.
Yes!
Maybe not
like-
so deep.
Oh, not deep.
Not too deep, but like getting the. Yeah, that's good. That's good. It's gonna work out no matter what. Perfect. So we're all done making the Irish soda bread. We got 2 of these things. We'll have lots to share with everyone who wants to come over. And we'll put it in the oven at 360 for about 60 minutes. And we'll have some Irish soda bread. Good work, everyone.
Woo!
Wow, look at the bread. It took about 50 minutes in the oven. Then we made the executive decision that we're done. The 2 hungry helpers will be back shortly. But I think Lucas, Andrew, and I are going to start digging into this. Make sure to serve this with lots of butter and maybe some Irish tea if you have it around. All right, happy St. Patty's Day.
Here's one right.
I'm gonna use less butter than Bill does because
I use butter.
you use a shit ton of butter, Bill.
I like butter.
Bill's your butter boy.
Go ahead, dig in. Come on.
Dig in.
Okay, Bill.
God.
There's a lot of pressure here.
Inspecting my
Is it
work.
good?
It's good, Bill. I like it.
Oh,
It's
good.
nice and moist.
Good.
Very
Happy
nice.
St. Patty's Day. Is it really?
It's so wet.
It probably is.
I like caraway seeds. I'll be honest.
You do?
that too.
You don't
Yeah.
like caraway?
Really cost
No.
to take.
I think like it's kind of a different taste. I mean,
I didn't really get too many in mine, I feel like.
you're really supposed to serve this like completely cooled, so it'll probably dry a little bit. So what's
How's
the
it
final
compared to your
verdict?
mom's?
This is good.
It's good.
Forgot to
Great.
document this.
And that's how simple it is to make Irish soda bread at home. With no yeast bread, it takes almost no time, besides the time in the oven, obviously. Feel free to like and subscribe my page or channel to see more content like this.